Hello, welcome to all. Myself Ranjit Kumar. Today I am going to describe about the topic Venus flytrap plant and its role in evolution and natural selection. So, we all are living in the nature. In nature, both biotic and abiotic components are present, but plants are the most important biotic factors in nature. They are autotrophs, but some plants also collect their nutrients from insects. That is, the plants are carnivores in nature. Among the wonders of the natural world, some are carnivores in nature. That is, they eat insects or collect their nutrients from insects. The best example is the Venus flytrap plant. Darwin described it as one of the most wonderful plants in the world. The Venus flytrap plant has a classification, that is, it has a kingdom Plantae, phylum Tracheophyta, class Magnolypsoda, order Caryophyles, family Drosoceracea, genus Dionaea, and species Muscivola. So it is a scientific name, that is Dionaea and Muscivola. The carnivorous plants, as it eats insects or collects their nutrients from insects, it is called as carnivorous plants. That is, the carnivorous plant is found growing in pretty sandal soil, mainly in one small place, the extreme far east coast of North Carolina. It has special structure like traps, flower, roots, lobes, digestive glands, and teeth are also present. It catches its prey, mostly ants, beetles, spiders, and other crawling arachnids, with a complex, well designed, mid shaped trapping mechanism located at the terminal portion of the plant's leaf. So, trapping mechanism is the main characteristics of the plant, that is the carnivorous plant, that is Venus flytrap plant. So, here is a cyclical structure which describes the trapping mechanism in plants. The Venus flytrap is one of a small group of plants that capable of rapid response to stimuli. So here, what is the stimuli? Stimuli is the main response towards the flytrap plant. It folds its compound leaves inward to respond to touch. So here, touch is the main stimuli to which response occurs in flytrap plant, that is Venus flytrap plant. It catches insects with sticky fluid. So here sticky fluid is the main characteristics which secretes from the body or the lobe of the flytrap plant and then bends projecting tentacles around the prey to hold it fast and digest. So tentacles is the characteristics which is present around the lobes. The Venus flytrap plant secretes sugars and other attractants in the open, untried state. The trap lobes are convex, which is bent outward, but concave, that is bent inward in the closed state. But in open state, it is convex in structure, that is bent outward. But in the closed state, it is concave, that is bent inwards, forming a small cavity. As both concave and convex are present, so it forms a cavity inside the lobe. So here the plant lobe is open where there is a no insects. When insects come and sit on the plant, the lobe of a plant sudden closed and the insect is trapped inside that lobe. That is the lobe formed by the convex and concave portion of the lobe. Then after 1 to 2 hours, the stomach secretion secretes a, a sticky fluid which digests the insects. Then after 12 hours to 5 days, the digestion and absorption of the animal occur, and from this process the plant collects its nutrients. So here its secretion or enzymes, that is hydrolysis, and also other enzymes that secretes from the stomach of these plants, that is from digestive glands, which secrete some sticky fluid which digests the insects and collects the nutrients from that insects. After that the absorption occur from this body. where the animals or the plant, that is venous trap plant, carnivorous plant, collects its nutrients from the insect by the process of plant collect its nutrients. After collection, the plant is again reopened, that is reopened of the lobes occur and the insect then removed, and again the process is recycled, that is the insect again come and sit over the lobes of the plant, then again fast closure of the lobes occur, then digestion, then absorption of nutrients occur, then the cycle is repeated. So what is the proposed of evolutionary history? So what is the proposed? Darwin describes some evolutionary changes in plants, that is Venus flytrap plant. As different types of organs are developed in this plant, so it has a main role in play that evolution or natural selection. So the carnivorous plant diet a very specialized form of feeding, that is it used by only a very few plant clients living in soil poor in nutrients. So which type of plant is this? It is a soil poor in nutrients, and the soil it is present in the soil which is poor in nutrients. So due to which the plant collects its nutrients from the insects to fulfill its needs or body function. The evolutionists theorize that their carnivorous traps evolved to allow these organisms to survive in harsh environments, that is, it survives in unfavorable environmental conditions. That is why different types of organs are developed in these carnivorous plants, that is, traps develop through which it collects its nutrients or capture its insect, due to which it collects the nutrients from that animals or insect. The snap trap mechanism is the characteristics of venous fly trap plant. So snap trap mechanism is the main characteristics of venous fly trap plant. The model proposes that plant snap traps evolved from the fly paper traps driven by natural selection for larger prey size, thereby providing the plant with more nutrients. So the carnivorous plant, that is fly trap plants, is evolved from the fly paper trap. So what it is the ancestor of uh, mm, fly paper traps is the ancestor of uh, mm, venous fly trap plant. Due to which the trap or the snap trap mechanism provides its more nutrients and helps in the process of natural selection. So it mainly helps in the evolution. What is the problem? The problem is that the large insects can more easily escape the sticky mucilage of flypaper traps. So flypaper traps in this flypaper traps there is a small trap mechanism, due to which large insects are come out to outside, but small insects are present inside and catched by these flypaper traps, due to which it cannot get proper nutrients from that insects. It would also permits a more complete digestion, that is the snap trap mechanism also permits a more complete digestion, due to which different types of organs are developed in this fly trap plant. The plant with wider leaves is theorized to have evolved a trap design that maximizes its chance of capturing and retaining such prey. So it has a trap design which maximizes its chance of capturing. As large trap size, more is the capturing size. Due to its more complete digestion, the trap teeth and trigger hairs also develop, which evolutionists claim that it is the example of natural selection hijacking pre-existing structures for new functions. Due to here, teeth and trigger hairs are developed, which is a characteristics of process of natural selection, and different types of new structures are developed to carry out different types of new functions. Also, a digestive gland also developed inside the trap for its complete digestion. Digestive gland also present. It secretes digestive juice or digestive enzymes which carry out the process of complete digestion. So, according to the habitat and feeding nature, trapping method also developed in this fly trap plant. So, trapping method is the main characteristics or snap trap mechanism is the main characteristics of Venus fly trap plant. This all development are examined by Darwin. So he called it as a wonder of plant kingdom and beautiful designated for its role in the ecosystem. So the Venus flytrap plant has a main role in natural selection and evolution. So this is all about the Venus flytrap plant and the role in evolution or natural selection. Thank you.